So this is a single head double gate bursting strain tester. This is a switch for on off power. This is an indicator. This is a test start switch. Now this is a handle which we can rotate from here, and there is a diaphragm which has been placed inside the circuit. Now there are two switches, two gauges, that is one is board and other is paper. Board is set for 35 kilograms and paper is set for 7 kilograms. This is a lever for board and paper. We can switch over both. Now let us test its calibration first for the paper. Please take the paper. So this is the aluminum foil of 4 kilograms. Now let us check. We have placed it inside the machine. Now I am starting its pressure. Please see over there. So the paper is already been calibrated by me. Now this is the time for the board. Now board is having its 10 kilograms. It's a 10 kilogram aluminum foil. I am just placing it out. And now the lever will be connected to the paper. So now right now I am starting it. So as you can see, it comes to 10 kilograms. So now we have calibrated both the paper and boards. Now it's time to check the papers. Like this is the paper I am having right now. It's a JK paper, 70 GSM. Now let's see what will be the bursting factor for it. So first of all I make it needle to here, and now I will start papers. You can see the reading over there, it will come out. So the reading comes to 1.5 nearby. So its BF is 1.5 kilogram per centimeter. Now let us check for the board. So I am taking this board. It's 300 GSM. Okay, so I am now placing it for the center. I am switching it to board and it's needle to 0. Then you will see the reading. So I am starting it. So as you can see, its bursting factor is 5 kg per centimeter square. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you from Baptech Engineers and Associates.